Dras, the second coldest inhabited place in the world. Dras, often referred to as the gateway to Ladakh, is a small town in the Kargil district of the Union Territory of Ladakh, India. It is renowned for being the second coldest inhabited place on Earth, with winter temperatures plummeting to as low as -60 degrees Celsius, -76 degrees Fahrenheit. Nestled at an altitude of approximately 3,300 meters, 10,827 feet, above sea level, Dras is a place of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and a resilient population that has adapted to one of the harshest climates in the world. Geography and climate. Dras is located in the western part of Ladakh, about 60 kilometers west of Kargil town and approximately 140 kilometers from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. The town lies along the Srinagar-Leh highway, NH1, making it a crucial stopover for travelers heading towards Leh. Dras experiences a subarctic climate characterized by long, harsh winters and short, mild summers. From late October to early April, the region remains covered in snow, and temperatures frequently drop below freezing. The lowest recorded temperature in Dras was -60 degrees Celsius in January 1995, making it the second coldest inhabited place after Oymyakon in Russia. Summers are brief but pleasant, with temperatures ranging between 15 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, providing a stark contrast to the frigid winters. Historical significance. Dras has significant historical importance, particularly due to its strategic location. It played a crucial role during the 1999 Kargil War between India and Pakistan. The town was one of the key battlefronts during the war, witnessing intense military operations. Today, visitors can pay homage to the fallen soldiers at the Kargil War Memorial, which is located near Dras. This memorial, built in honor of the Indian soldiers who lost their lives, serves as a reminder of the town's resilience and strategic importance. People and culture. Despite the extreme weather conditions, Dras is home to a small yet vibrant population. The residents, primarily of Dardik and Balti origins, have adapted to the harsh climate through traditional knowledge and lifestyle practices passed down for generations. The main languages spoken in Dras include Shina, Balti, Urdu, and Hindi. The people of Dras are known for their warmth and hospitality. They celebrate various local festivals with great enthusiasm. One of the most notable cultural events is the annual horse polo tournaments, a sport that has been an integral part of Ladakhi tradition for centuries. The traditional attire of the region includes woolen garments that help combat the severe cold. Tourism in Dras. Despite its challenging climate, Dras attracts adventurous travelers, nature lovers, and history enthusiasts. Some of the major tourist attractions in and around Dras include: 1. Kargil War Memorial. Located near Dras, the Kargil War Memorial is a must-visit site for anyone traveling through the region. The memorial